Welcome back for another Willys Wednesday, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the new intro. Took me way longer than it's supposed to take, but I'm not a computer guy, so is what it is. Today we are going to be mounting the front suspension and testing it out. Alright, I finally got my tabs back from getting cut for the shocks. So that's what those bushings are for. Because originally I was going to be using a shock that had a 10 mil hole in it, and these ones have a 1/2 inch, so I'm going to drill these out to 3/8, basically 10 mil, and then I can use these bushings. So these will go through on one side. Hopefully I didn't make them too long, we'll find out. And then a washer on the other side. I just figured that was making that little step was a little better than just doing a sleeve and then having 2 washers. It's kind of a pain to hold it. Let's see what I got for 3/8 bolts. Ooh, the washer's gonna be too big though. I can figure that out afterwards. Could have swore that. Oh, that's not a 3/8 bolt. Maybe they did drill them, but no, it's not 1/2 inch. All right, all that bloody work for nothing.
Stuck in my brain.
Crisis averted. I was able to still bump up to a 7/16 hole. Grab some bolts and turn down a bunch of washers just so that they fit inside of there. So let's see if we can get one of these put together.
Stuck in my brain, yeah. Stuck in my brain, stuck in my brain, yeah.
Okay, it's just tacked in, but this will be the first time it ever moves with a shock in place. Okay, my next step, everything clears, so my next step is to get a coil on there and then test it again. I know, super premature for this, but I've been waiting a long time to see make sure that everything is going to work.
Stuck in the rain, yeah.
Yeah, it's off of the ground. And I think I compressed almost where I wanted. Looks like I still need a little more weight on the front, which is definitely a good thing. So it is technically sitting on its own weight right now, off the suspension. It hasn't compressed quite enough, so I do have lots of room to adjust here. Yeah, I'm calling that successful. It's a good location for it. I can weld that up. I have to grind like I did on this one for the other side. And well, I better take the weight back off again, I guess. Very cool. It's nice when a plan comes together. Okay, just to try it out, I set it up onto some 2x4s. Granted, they're not right underneath the ends, but it sits on its own weight. The next board is all the way at the back. Everything else is, I mean, it's a mess because I've been working all day, but everything else is free and clear. And it moves. It works. Kind of sounds like it's hitting something, but very cool. I can tell already it seems like it might be too stiff. I moved in this one hole. That should have been the right way. No, maybe that made it worse. Maybe I should move this out and move this one down. And that should make that weaker. I'll give it another try. Alright, I switched it to the second bolt hole here. Keep in mind the blocks at the back aren't as far back as the rear wheels are going to be, so there's going to be a fair bit more distance. So it'll actually have a lot more weight here, not including obviously body work and dash and electrical and seats and all that stuff, but it gives us a better idea of what it might look like. We're much closer to the ride height. It's super cool to play with. So over here playing with my Willy. Not what she said.